Storm Chandra has arrived in Ireland, bringing heavy rain and strong winds. All of Ireland is now under a weather warning, with a status yellow wind warning in effect from 3 a.m. Tuesday until 11 p.m. Tuesday. Rain warnings also come into effect at midnight for Carlow, Kilkenny, Louth, Wexford, Wicklow, and Waterford. Met Area meteorologist Rebecca Cantwell said, Storm Chandra is a low-pressure system that will move north across the country Monday night and Tuesday, bringing quite wet and windy conditions. It will bring heavy rain and strong winds, especially along the coast. The storm will slowly move northward on Tuesday afternoon. Seawater flooded a grassy area in Clontarf, Dublin, Ireland. Storm Bram is affecting all areas of Ireland today under a national status orange wind warning from Met Area. Residents have been advised to be aware of very strong southerly winds to storm surges, possible coastal flooding and tidal surges, travel disruptions, debris, and potential power outages. Strong winds impacting flights at Dublin Airport. Dublin Airport stated that strong winds associated with Storm Chandra continue to impact flight operations at Dublin Airport. As of 3 p.m., approximately 20 flights have been cancelled by airlines. Ireland appears to be affected by a deepening low-pressure area approaching early in the morning on Tuesday, January 27. This low pressure will strengthen rapidly as it approaches, resulting in a multi-hazard weather event with flooding, strong winds, and snow in mountainous areas likely in parts of the country, it said. Localized flooding is expected. A deepening low-pressure area will approach Ireland from the southeast on Tuesday morning, bringing with it heavy rain, strong winds in coastal areas, and possible accumulations of snow, particularly in hilly areas. This combination of conditions will lead to a multi-hazard event and the possibility of a named storm, if not certain. Flooding may be most severe in the south and southeast. The heaviest rainfall is expected along the Irish Sea coast and in southern coastal areas. In particular, parts of Wicklow and the Mourne Mountains are likely to experience up to 80 millimeters of rain during Tuesday. Flooding is also projected elsewhere, with all areas experiencing heavy rain on already saturated ground, and high-level weather warnings are likely. With winds expected to remain strong throughout today, both at Dublin Airport and other airports in Ireland, Europe, and the UK, further disruption to flight schedules is possible. Dublin Airport stated that passengers scheduled to fly today should contact their airlines for updates on their flight status. Storm Chandra is moving northward over Ireland. Met Area stated that winds will remain strong as Storm Chandra moves northward over Ireland. Heavy thunderstorms or longer-lasting showers will spread from the south. Due to saturated ground conditions, flooding will occur in some areas and is likely to cause disruption. Forecasters said there would be strong to very strong easterly to southeasterly winds with storm surges near the coast, which would then change to westerly to southwesterly winds. This comes after Cyclone Chandra left homes and businesses inundated, cars stranded, and power outages. Labour Party member George Lawler said the scale of the damage exposed a long-standing failure to provide real flood protection for the area, and he called on local ministers to use their influence in cabinet to secure immediate action. The scenes following Cyclone Chandra were shocking but sadly predictable. Rivers overflowed, cars floating in driveways, homes without power, and roads completely blocked. The Labour Party believes we need fundamental change in the way the country handles flood prevention. The OPW, Office of Public Works, must be reformed and empowered to carry out protection works more quickly, manage rivers properly, and take upstream land management seriously to reduce the risk before floodwaters reach towns and villages, he said.